Today we will show you how to remove and replace the ice maker on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Reasons for replacing the ice maker would be if it's not producing ice or leaking water.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
To begin the repair, we must remove the door bins. To remove the door, there is one screw in each rail. Remove both of those screws. And then there is a tab that you press in. And at the same time, pulling on the whole door will disengage that roller, and the whole slide will slide out. And then set your door off to the side. To remove your ice maker, take a small flat-bladed screwdriver, release the tabs on the electrical connector, one on the front and back side. Unplug your ice maker, and then take a 1/4-inch nut driver and remove the 1/4-inch screw. And pull the ice maker towards you and set it aside. To install your ice maker, slide it back into the bracket, install your 1/4-inch screw, and then plug it in, and now we can install the doors. To install the door, slide the rails into the brackets. And to make sure that they're clipped in all the way, you want to push on the rail until you hear that click. Now you can install your 2 screws. Install your bins, they just drop into place. Starting with the lower bin first. And then the top bin slides right into the track. And your repair is complete. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.